A lot of people don't know that Squarespace has this feature, and it's the ability to generate a brand identity for your business. So it's hidden away a little bit, but in this video, I'm going to show you where it lives and how to actually use it. So on our site here, if we click on the cog, that's going to take us into settings. And then down the sidebar here, you'll see brand. If we click on that, the only option under brand is brand identity. And you can tell this is going to be AI because this is Squarespace's Beacon AI logo. So anywhere that you see that, you'll know it's going to be using Beacon AI. So we click on this, and then we're going to have our brand identity made for us. So for the purposes of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a brand new brand identity for By Crawford. So you can see here it says a brand identity describes who you are, what you do, and what makes you special. Squarespace AI uses this to generate better content. So under the description, we've got describe what your site or business is about, your values, and what you sell, if anything, where you're located, who's involved, etc. So I've got 400 characters to put this in. I'm going to say, my name is Sam. The company is By Crawford. We build the best Squarespace websites in the world. I don't know if capitals makes it any better, but I'm gonna put them in anyway. Okay. What else shall we say? Where you're located. We are based worldwide with a global team. If I could type, that's correct, isn't it? Okay. Now we can tweak this a bit. So sophisticated, we've got playful, professional, friendly, bold, quirky, innovative, and custom. So I'm going to say super cool. Let's see how it responds to that. Okay, great. So we've got a bit of a preview here. We've got a blurb. Your site title By Crawford. Well done. Well done, Squarespace. I think we need to remove that. But anyway, Sam's global crew. This is super cool. Sam's global crew of Squarespace wizards building the world's raddest high impact website. I need to dial this one back, but let's read on. So if we want to run an email campaign, it's going to say, "Hey, I'm Sam from Crawford." Interesting. Let's try and change that. There we go. It now recognize it here. Recognize it. So your site title is pulling in. Let me just save this and show you why. So it's actually pulling in the name of the site. So I will call it this one, By Crawford, just for ease. And then what we'll do is we'll go back into the brand and we'll see how that changes things. So brand identity. Okay, so we've got a bit of a blurb. See if it regenerates. Do innovative. Okay, there we go. Much better. So By Crawford, a global team led by Sam, crafting the world's most innovative Squarespace websites. Okay, perfect. By Crawford, led by Sam, is launching a bold new sale for a limited time. See, I don't think this is brilliant. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure this didn't used to have email campaign. It just used to have a bit, not documentation. It used to have a bit of a description about your business. So now what it looks like is email is taking a bit of a lead. My assumption is that Squarespace want to push people to send emails using this new brand identity. So you're going to get a blurb about your company, and then you're going to be prompted basically to send an email along these lines. What I would do personally, if I wasn't just using this for fun, is I would fill this out with as much detail as you can. I'd play around with the personalities, and I would just pretty much take the blurb at face value. And then the email campaign, I probably wouldn't use it for a campaign. I would use that to build a brand around, to be honest. Because I think there's some good stuff in there. Obviously, there are better things out there, But if you want to play around with this on your Squarespace site, I think it's a good place to start. So hopefully you found this useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.